dancing around the world. Dancing is probably the most expressive and satisfying form of performance art known to man. And every culture has its own types of dance. Here are two very different traditional dances from two very different parts of the world. Morris dancing. Morris dancing is a traditional English dance. The dancers dance in various rhythms to the sound of lively, energetic music played on drums, accordions, and pipes. There are different types of Morris dancing in different areas, but in the best-known type, the dancers wear black or white trousers and white shirts. They also wear colourful belts across their chests, hats with ribbons and flowers, and knee bells. The dancers hit sticks or wave handkerchiefs in the air as they dance. They take part in fairs and spring festivals, or they perform in the streets, inviting people to welcome the spring. Karazorga. The Karazorga is a traditional Kazakh dance that is very popular even today. The dance is performed by a couple or a group of couples. At first, the women and the men dance separately, but they end up in pairs. The men usually wear traditional suits composed of a shirt, trousers, and a waistcoat. The female dancers wear brightly coloured long dresses with large sleeves and a hat topped with a feather. The music has an upbeat tempo like the gallop of a horse. During the dance, everyone hops, sways back and forth, and makes movements with their shoulders and arms as if they are riding horses. People dance the Karazorga during national festivities and weddings.